conjugaisons irrégulières, and we'll see especially, well, the verbs that will be constructed based on jeter, okay, so you get jeter and then, well, verbs like déjeter, interjeter, projeter, rejeter, surjeter, so they are from the same family and we're talking about this jeter, so that's the reason why we will see the example of jeter. So jeter actually, jeter quelque chose, to throw something or then to pitch something. It could be a ball or it could be a stone, whatever. But then we'll see that actually the following tenses will be affected by these changes. So we're talking about indicatif présent, futur simple, conditionnel présent, and then subjonctif présent. So it does mean that for all the other tenses, well, actually, jeter will follow the rule. So the rule from the first group of verbs, so okay. But then for these tenses, we'll see that we will have little changes, and we'll see right away what are these changes for the présent form. And it goes like je jette, tu jettes, il jette, nous jetons, vous jetez, and then il jette. So what we can see here is that je, tu, il, and il will be affected by these changes, and well, the only change that you will have to make is that you will have to double the t here. T, okay, normally you should have only one, and then you will double it, and by putting two t like that, then it will open the sound of this e, so you will get jette, okay, je jette, tu jettes, il jette, and then here you don't touch it, jetons, vous jetez, okay, and then back to the change, il jette, alright, so you double this letter T here, okay, and then let's see now for the futur simple, je jetterai, tu jetteras, il jettera, nous jetterons, vous jetterez, ils jetteront. So we can see that here this modification will affect all the forms, okay, and it's, well, exactly the same modification as we did previously for the present form. So you double this letter, jetterai, jettera, jettera, jetteront, jetterai, jetteront. And then for the conditionnel présent form, je jetterai, tu jetterais, il jetterait, nous jetterions, vous jetteriez, il jetterait. Okay, so exactly the same modification, and it will affect, as for the future, it will affect all the persons. So you double your T here, okay, and you get je jetterai, tu jetterais, il jetterait, nous jetterions, vous jetteriez, il jetterait. Okay, and let's see now how le subjonctif présent will be affected. Que je jette, que tu jettes, qu'il jette, que nous jetions, que vous jetiez, and then qu'il jette. So what can we see here? We can see that je, tu, il, and then il will be affected because you will have to, as we did previously, double this letter. Okay, but then nous and vous, actually you don't touch them, you just follow the rule of construction of the subjunctive présent for the verbs from the first group. Okay, so que je jette, que tu jettes, qu'il jette, que nous jetions, que vous jetiez, and then qu'il jette. And that's it. So keep in mind that for all the verbs that will belong to this jeter family, then indicatif présent, futur simple, conditionnel présent, and then subjonctif présent will have, I mean, the little changes that we saw. Okay, for all the other tenses, well, no modifications, just follow the rules that we saw previously.